Hi, my kitties. It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have McDonald's, and I'm so excited because I haven't had McDonald's in so long. So today I have a Big Mac with extra mac sauce, some chicken nuggets, and French fries. Barbecue sauce, honey mustard, and sweet and sour, and a little bit of ketchup. Your girl likes it saucy. So let's dig in. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good. Mmm. Yep. All fresh. You know it's gonna be a good day. Mm. I went to go pick this up and I already had like half of my fries. Mm. It's actually juicy. So you know it's fresh. You guys remember when the Big Mac were actually big? Or were we just smaller then? Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. That's delicious. Mm. Mm. Wow. Today's gonna be a good day. Seriously, when you get fresh McDonald's, mm, water. I wanted to tell you guys why I started YouTube. Mm. Mm. So good. I think I'm eating way too fast. I'm so hungry. The reason why I started YouTube was because I got laid off in October. Um, the company had to downsize and unfortunately had to let each person in each department go, or one person from each department go. So instead of like sitting around being depressed and mopey, I wanted to start my YouTube channel. I wanted to start one like 6 years ago, but I just I just cared about what other people thought about me. Being on YouTube, I was like super insecure. Um, but mainly because I just was afraid of what people would say and think. Now, I just don't care. I want to build my community around BTS Army, foodies, travelers, and I might as well do something that would make me happy, right? Mm. The honey mustard and sweet and sour sauce. I can't remember the last time I had a Big Mac. I normally don't get Big Macs. I usually get a McChicken and a McDouble. Okay, great. Mm. I went to fat camp in September, and that's McDonald's were was like the only thing I was craving. The only thing I could think about, literally. But surprisingly enough, when I got done with that camp, I didn't go get McDonald's. So this is the first time I've had it. Mm. Getting extra mac sauce, a little bit more mexier, but totally worth it. Anyone else is a fast eater, or is it just me? Oh, good. Mm. So my plan was to talk a lot, or like, you know, talk more than what I am doing now, but I'm just so hungry. And it's so good. So good. You guys do that McDonald's hack where you take the top bun off and then you flip it So you just got like the middle bun and the bottom bun. I haven't tried it. Maybe I'll try it next time. My last nugget. Mm. Do you guys have New Year's Eve plans? I probably just stay home with Jade. Ever since her brother passed away, Jade's been extremely needy. She also has like major separation anxiety and she acts out when she's left home alone. So I don't like leaving her home alone. I feel guilty. I can't like enjoy my time away. Anyone else like that? Let me know down in the comments what can I do for Jade and her separation anxiety. Do I get her another sibling? Um, or do I don't know, leave treats out or something? I don't know. I need something. I need help. Let me know. Last bite. Okay, guys. Well, I'm done with my meal, you guys. I hope you guys are eating with me. Catch you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.